All right, Eric, first things first. The Silverado you picked out. First choice of color, correct?
Yes, sir.
Equipped just the way you said it had to be equipped?
Yes, sir.
Let's don't forget, it comes with a 3636 comprehensive warranty, 560 powertrain warranty, 560 roadside assistance. Eric, if you had to buy that roadside assistance, it'd cost you somewhere close to $500. Okay, you've got so. And by the way, check your insurance policy, your vehicle insurance policy. Check your mobile phone bill. They sneak those things on there. Okay, make sure you're not paying somebody else for it. And you remember, you can't pay too much here, correct?
Right.
And you can't get stuck with the wrong truck, can you? Because even if you decided it was the wrong truck over the next couple of days, you have the right to bring it back and exchange it for another. Plus, we're going to take care of many of your maintenance expenses over the next couple of years. All right? Here's your opportunity. You own it for $58,125 with your taxes, fees, and by the way, we love your vehicle. We're going to buy it for $54,340. Your bottom line to finance is $62,137. I'm going to give you three choices here. High payment, save the most money, pay it off faster, build cash value sooner. 60 months, more comfortable, more flexible. Now the question I've got for you, first of all, is which down payment works best for you, remembering the more you put down, the fewer finance charges you pay, and the lower your payment. Which one of those works best for you?
I could do the 8100.
Okay, that gives us three choices right here. Save the most money, most comfortable, most flexible, best of both worlds. Which works best for you?
Steve, what kind of discount am I getting on that truck?
What I'm going to say next, Eric's going to sound a little crazy. This is the MSRP, but you're getting a $5,800 discount. Now, does that sound crazy?
Yeah, I don't see that.
Okay, well, you wouldn't. Okay, let me explain how this works. This comes from EasyCare. This is a consumer-based organization that extracts their information from Edmunds.com, which is another consumer-driven website. Right now, in this country, Eric, 82% of the people are paying over MSRP for new vehicles. That's average, all right? And what they're paying is they're paying 9.9%, which is almost 10%, over MSRP. Now, what's 10% over 58,000?
$5,800.
I told you earlier that you were getting a $5,800 discount, okay? And you're getting a $5,800 discount off the market-based price of this vehicle. So, which one of these three payments works best for you?
Probably have to stretch it out. Let's do 60.
Okay. You need to show this. You need to make sure they know who EasyCare.com is. And by the way, do most people know who Edmunds.com is? Yeah, it's between them and KBB. That's where most of the consumers do their research. EasyCars.com. Make sure that's right. EasyCars.com teaches people how to buy cars. They are our mortal enemy, usually. But now they're not our mortal enemy. They are providing us information that helps us let the customer know that our price is a discounted price, even though it's MSRP. Okay? On the used car side, when they bitch about the prices of used cars, we say, look, here's how they've increased in the last year. By the way, how many of you have a stock portfolio that went up 40% in the last year? Not me. Very few do, okay? But your used car went up 40% in the last 12 months. It's a crazy world we live in.